Hello kids, let us learn how to draw and color shapes. First, know about the color name. This is blue color, green, white, yellow, black, brown, pink, orange, red, purple, light green, sky blue. Let us draw shape. Symbol is U-turn. U-turn symbol. This symbol is U-turn. This is U-turn symbol. And this is smiley. This is smiley. This is smiley. This is rhombus. This is rhombus. This is heart. This is heart. This is cube. Cube is 3D shape. Cube. Cube is 3D shape. This is cube. Now this symbol is cross. This symbol is cross. This is cross. It is a symbol. Now let us color the shapes and symbols. This is U-turn. This color is light green. This is symbol. U-turn. U-turn symbol. This is light green color and the symbol is U-turn. This is orange color and this is smiley. Smiley is a emoji. This is smiley and the smiley is emoji. Smiley emoji. This is orange color. It is smiley. This is pink color and this is rhombus, or you can say diamond. It is rhombus or diamond. This is red color and this shape is heart. This is heart. This is heart and the color is red color. This is sky blue and this is cube. It is 3D shape. This is cube. This is 3D shape. Pink color. Shape is cube. It is 3D shape. This is purple color and this symbol is cross. This is cross. Purple color and the symbol is cross. This is U-turn, smiley emoji, rhombus, heart, cube, cross. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.